In this video, I will show you how to use Autods to find winning products. So first I want to talk about which packages you can use to actually find these winning products. We can see right here in their packages, even in the cheapest plan, which for Shopify is import 200 at $19.90 per month, you already get the product research tool. And as you can see right here, that helps you discover profitable bestsellers in seconds. They scan global suppliers for their best performing products. So I'll show you exactly how to do that. And first of all, if you want to claim this 30-day free trial that you can see right here on any plan, then you want to go and click on the link down in the description. It's also available if you want to pay monthly. As you can see, 30-day free trial on any plan. So I'll just go and start my free trial now and then show you how you can actually use Autods to find winning products. So then after you've connected to your store, you will get to the Autods marketplace right here, where you can already find some products. For example, you can filter by bestsellers right here, and then here you will find some bestsellers on the Autods marketplace. For example, these dumbbells, this dog bed, and there are a bunch more. You can filter by a category, and what I like to do is to go by the ships from right here and just select the area that you are going to sell it in. For example, United States. And now you will see here shipping time 2 business days, 1 business day. So now you will get really fast shipping if you are going to sell this in the United States. Now next up here you have the hand-picked products. So you will see the hand-picked products are picked by the Autods team. Now you will see you get 4 of them for free right here or included in your membership. But if you want more, you need to join their product finding hub. So I would recommend getting the finding hub add-on, since here you will find all of the best products. Because you also need this for the ad spy tool and for the trending products. And in my opinion, the trending products is the best section. So if you click buy product finding hub add-on, you will see it costs $14.97. So personally, I do recommend purchasing this to find all of those winning products. But after purchasing it, just filter by category and you will have a bunch of trending products that you can simply import onto your store. So now you know how to use Autods to find winning products. Again, if you want to get the extended 30-day free trial, then you can go and sign up through the link down in the description. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.